Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm not doing the Ironman this time round. I've had my 4 days of wallowing in my self-pity. I've done nothing, I've been lazy, and I've eaten rubbish. Just crappy food, no nutrition. I've felt like crap. But it is time to jump back on the track, get back on, get going. And that starts with shaving my head. So, let's go. Should we leave the go faster stripes? I don't know, I'm gonna do the other side and see how I feel. What are we thinking? I think that's a terrible idea. Yeah. Look good, feel good, do good. That is today's motto. Self-confidence is key. It is king. I lost it. Time to go and chase it because it is an endless search, an endless battle. Some people have it easier than others. Some people have to chase it constantly. I am the latter. Let's go. As I've just proved to myself, there is absolutely nothing stopping you, or me, or anyone from doing different variations of some exercises to entirely new ones that you don't normally do anyway, in order to get a decent workout. It's not as efficient as a gym or a run or whatever, but it makes a difference. Sometimes it's not taking a step back, it's just a different direction. And that's the mindset I'm gonna have to build myself back up, get through this bloody ankle bruising, which is doing my head in, and then get back to it. And then get back on track. Yeah. On the flip side of not doing an insane amount of training, I have to not eat as much as I was as well. And also focus on eating healthier because I still like food, I still like to eat. So, I'm gonna go down the shops and then we're gonna make a healthy lunch that is quick but not boring. Yeah. I'll be back in a second. Not all healthy food has to be boring food. Sometimes it is, if you wanna stick to your plain rice and chicken and broccoli. Sometimes that's nice. It can be made nice. Anyway, that's not what we're doing today. Today, the healthy side of food and not the boring side of food. Yeah, healthy and tasting good. That's the aim anyway. Jesus, why am I so close? That's a bit better. That's a bit better. If I could only have one meat, one poultry, and one fish for the rest of my life, I would definitely have beef, chicken, and salmon, because they're just elite. As far as versatility goes, you can do so much with them, And if you stick around on this channel, we got some stuff coming up. Well, I'm going to show you what you can do with them. Adding into our chicken, we have garlic, mixed herbs, turmeric, and a bit of chili powder for a kick. And then obviously salt and pepper. Mixed in with any kind of natural yogurt, Greek yogurt works. Any kind of plain, like the Sainsbury's own, anything like that works. Smells good. We don't know if it tastes good yet because I'm not trying it. It's raw chicken. But yeah, right. That's the raw section done. I don't know if it works for everyone, but having nutritionally rich food like makes me feel better. Makes me feel less lazy. Like driven not to waste it, because obviously fresh food, good food, it is unfortunately more expensive. But it's worth it if you're trying to be healthy, stay healthy, get on track, you know? So I would always recommend, if you can, the GoPro is on 11%. Can I finish this food before it dies? That's the question. I mean, I hope so. I do hope so. Reducing the liquid down now. Oh, I'm so hungry, I can't wait. Right, chicken's done. Let's build myself a wrap. Good food, not boring food. Cheers. I said, hey, what's going on? Chop, 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 chopping on heaven's door. La 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 la. La 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 la.